Hi, I'm Sarah. This is my kitchen. Some of my friends and Facebook people have been asking for recipes, and that's hard for me because I don't write them down. I just put things. So I thought maybe I'd do a show and tell of what gets put in the chicken soup. There's already a stewing hen in a great big pot on my stove. Pot's about so, the hen weighs about 5 pounds. We raised her from an egg for 3 years. She laid us eggs. Now it's her turn to be recycled into soup. What I put in my chicken soup, if you can see this, I put onion, garlic, couple of bay leaves, parsley, rosemary. This is oregano and this is thyme. And these are about the right proportions. There's kind of a handful of each one. All right, that goes in the pot with the chicken. Black pepper, Himalayan sea salt. That goes in the pot. Now I'm gonna let that simmer for 5-6 hours. The longer and the slower it goes, the better the soup. You have absolutely marvelous chicken stock and the veggies and things, and the noodles that'll go in a bit. It's perfect. Okay, the next thing that goes in 5-6 hours, Amish egg noodles. We get this from an Amish family in Indiana, and they are the best. You can buy any kind or use whatever you have or even make them, but we like the Amish egg noodles in my chicken soup. Okay, all this goes together. And we like to have it with like a fresh green salad and some big crunchy toasty bread. Alrighty, there it is. That's the best I can do with sharing the recipe or what's in my chicken soup. Bye.